Christmas science fun.
Equipments that we use in this experiment: a ball, bottle, a water jug. Introduction. In this experiment, we will learn the role of air pressure with the help of ball and bottle. Take an empty bottle. Take a water jug. Pour some water into it. Put the ball on the top of the bottle. Oh, the ball is fallen. Now try rotating the bottle upside down. Conclusion. This happens because gravity is pulling the water down, but there is air pressure on the ball and it has large surface area. Therefore, there is enough force of air which is stopping the ball from coming out. Equipments that we use in this experiment: big glass, small glass, vegetable oil. Introduction. In this experiment, we will learn how to make glass invisible. Take 2 glasses. Now place a small glass into the big glass. Now start pouring vegetable oil into small glass. Conclusion. This happens because light travels through the glass and then through the oil. The speed of light slows down and then it hits the glass and refracts. And that is why the glass looks invisible. Equipments that we use in this experiment: an egg, a glass, a water jug, plate, corn syrup, vinegar, a tweezer. Introduction. In this experiment, we will learn why an egg grows and shrinks in certain conditions. Take 2 empty glasses. Fill both the glasses with the vinegar. Put the eggs inside the glasses. Leave it for some time. Take a plate. Now, take out the eggs with the help of tweezer into dish. Take 2 glasses. Fill 1 glass with corn syrup. Fill another glass with water. With the help of tweezer, keep the eggs back. Now, take out the eggs with the help of tweezer into dish. Conclusion. This happens because there is a higher concentration of water in the egg than in the syrup. Water diffuses out of the partially permeable membrane of the egg, causing it to shrink. On the other hand, as the pure water have a higher concentration of water than in the egg, the water will diffuse into egg, causing it to expand. Equipments that we use in this experiment: magnet, battery cell, a copper wire. Introduction. In this experiment, we will learn how to make an homopolar motor. Take magnet. First of all, take a cell. Place the copper wire on the positive terminal of battery. Conclusion. We concluded that homopolar motor creates rotational moment because the electrical current is flowing from positive terminal of the battery to negative terminal and into the magnet. Equipments that we use in this experiment: ice tray, vinegar, LED light, nail, a copper wire. Introduction. In this experiment, we will learn how to light a bulb with the help of vinegar. Take a nail. Take all the nails. Tie it with the copper wire. First of all, take an empty ice tray. Now fill some vinegar in the tray. Repeat the process. Put the nails into tray one by one. Now place the LED bulb on the tray. Conclusion. This is because the electrons pass through the LED. The electrical energy excites atoms inside it, and they emit a specific wavelength of color as they fall back to a lower energy level. Basically, they turn chemical energy into electrical energy. Equipments that we use in this experiment: an empty glass, honey, olive oil, salt water jug, small glass, a water jug. Introduction. In this experiment, we are going to see the effects of ice in different liquids. Take 4 empty glasses. Fill first glass with water. Fill the second glass with salt water. Fill the third glass with oil. Fill the last glass with honey. Put all the glasses into freezer. Close the freezer. Take another empty glasses. Fill first glass with water. Fill the second glass with salt water. Fill the third glass with oil. Fill the last glass with honey. Open the freezer. Take out all the glasses. Now put the ice cube into dish. Remove the ice cube from the glass. Now put the ice cube into water. Now remove the salt ice cube from. Now put the salt ice cube into salt water. Remove the oil ice cube from the glass. Now put the oil ice cube into oil. And now remove the honey ice cube from. And lastly, put the honey ice cube into honey. Conclusion. In this experiment, we learned that the objects will settle down as per their density and also as per their density of the liquids. Equipments that we use in this experiment: cold water and hot water, ink, vinegar. Introduction. In this experiment, we will learn how the color of water changes with the help of ink and vinegar. Take a hot water beaker. Take cold water beaker. add few drops of ink into hot water beaker. Stir it well. Repeat the same procedure in cold water. Stir it well. Now leave it for some time. You will observe the changes in color of water in beaker. Add some vinegar in the hot water beaker. Conclusion. We conclude that adding a drop of ink into the cold water, the ink is mixed with it by means of diffusion. The warm water diffusion occurs faster because the particles have more energy and the spaces between them are larger. Once the vinegar was added, the equilibrium between molecules was interrupted. That is why the solution turned purple and remained constant. Equipments that we use in the this experiment. A water jug, paper, a tray, liquid soap. Introduction. In this experiment, we will learn how a paper boat moves on the surface of water with the help of soap water. Take a tray. Add some water into it. Take a white cardboard paper. Now cut it with the paper cutter. Cut the cardboard paper into boat shape. Put the drops of liquid soap behind the paper. You will observe that the boat is moving . Conclusion. This is because of surface tension of water. So, when we put the drops of soap near the back of the boat, the soap molecules breaks the surface tension of water. The force of the surface tension pulling on front of the boat is now greater than the force pulling behind. So, the boat moves forward. Equipments that we use in this experiment. A bowl, lemon juice, soap liquid, turmeric liquid, Introduction. In this experiment, we will learn the given solution is acidic or base. Take an empty bowl. Take another empty bowl. one bowl with lemon juice. Fill another with soap water. Now add few drops of turmeric liquid into soap water. Now add few drops of turmeric liquid into lemon juice. Add some more drops of lemon juice into soap water. Conclusion. This is because a neutralization reaction occurs when lemon water and acid was added to the basic solution of soap. As the amount of acid and base in the solution became equal, the solution ceased to be acidic or basic. At the same point, the solution became neutral. Equipments that we use in this experiment: empty bowl, ice, salt bowl, spoon, thread. Introduction. In this experiment, we will learn the trick in which a thread sticks to ice cubes. Take an empty bowl. Place some ice cube into bowl. Now place another ice cube on it. Now add some salt. Now add some more salt into it. Take a thread and place it on the ice cube. Add some more salt into it. Now leave it for some time. Now try to pull it out. Conclusion. This happens because of the salt, which lowers the freezing point of water to below 0 degrees Celsius. When you added salt to the ice cube, the salt lowered the melting point of ice. The salt is in a thin layer, so it melts a thin layer on the top of the ice cube. The water cooled down further and refroze around the string.
Christmas science fun.